How to leave a review or feedback on Bolt. Want to say your ride experience in detail? Here's how to leave a review or feedback on Bolt. After you complete your trip, you'll see an option to rate your driver. Right below that, there's a leave feedback box. That's where you can write about what you liked or what could be better. If you already closed the screen, you can still go back to ride history, select your trip, and submit feedback anytime. If it's about a specific issue like driver behavior or vehicle condition, mention it clearly. Bolt support team actually reviews these comments to make sure future rides are smoother. Give constructive feedback. It helps Bolt maintain high driver quality. Do you usually write feedback or just give stars? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can leave a review or feedback on Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.